This is a Branson 3520R tractor. Going to do hydraulic fluid and oil filter and change and clean the screen. I stopped off at Tractor Supply and I got these two 5-gallon buckets of this Traveler transmission hydraulic fluid universal. And then I got some funnels I use to put the fluid into the tractor. And then I've got a 17 millimeter end wrench to take the drain plug out. And then I got a 3/8 socket with a 12 millimeter socket on it to take off the cap for the screen. Of course, I got some rags here, and then around here on the other side, I've got an assortment of tubs, buckets to catch the oil that when I pull the drain plug. So let's go on here and let's get her started.
Yeah, it's got some fine metal in it on the wear on the gears. So that was normal. It's not too bad. It's got some in there. O-ring's still up here. Let's go and pull that off. And this lever up here, I'd already pulled the pin out of it, so that way I can pull this screen out. And it's a good thing I did remove it because it would have been in the way. Now turn this filter and you'll feel it when it's off the threads. It'll click because it's jumping off the last thread. That's what I'm still waiting for. There we go. Felt the click. Pulling it away. Let it drain in. I'll take something, I'll wipe this just in case, the outer where that O-ring's going to seat on. Make sure I don't have any dirt that got on it. And then also on the new filter, I'll take some oil and then lubricate this ring that's going to made up there. That way it doesn't pinch it or scar it or anything. It gives it a nice Okay, we got the oil filter on, drain plug back in, tightened up, wiped up. And we're going to put in this filter back in, metal filter, after I've cleaned it and dried it out. Actually, I like to, on these seals here, since I've dried it out, put a little oil on those. Make sure they're and I'll check both ends of the filter. It doesn't look like it matters. They're both same size, so it doesn't matter which way it goes in. Okay. Same thing on this one. This lubed up here. Okay, we're around here at the back of the tractor. This, if you notice, there'll be a sight glass right here, and it's got a little red dot in the middle, or a little bead, or red dot where it should be filled to. And I went ahead and left the implement on here, and I got a transmission funnel with a funnel, so I can pour that in, so I can leave it on, and gives me a place to put the camera. Okay, I've been filling this up. Almost got the 5 gallons in, and I've almost got the other 5. I don't think I'm quite going to get there. I'm almost to the red dot on the sight glass. I'm going to add a little bit more. Well, I guess I'll show you what it looks like now. That's what it's showing now. It's just a little bit below that. So I'm going to give it another shot of oil here, and like I say, there may be a gallon, or I doubt there's even a gallon in here. So I'm kind of filling up that funnel. We'll let that trickle down into that housing, and that's bringing it up almost, yeah, that's right, it's right at the red dot right there. Let it settle, and I still got to start it up and fill that filter up, run it through the pump. So, but see, just filling up that filter, that's how much filled it up to right to the dot. So I'm gonna call that good for now. We'll give it a start up, drive it around, let it heat up, that kind of stuff, and then I'll let it set for a while and check that again, and then if we need some more oil, put it in. That's it for we're doing a filter and oil change on a 3520R Branson tractor.
and I checked my vent because this thing's got a hole in it here, so I made sure it was clear. So it's venting, so everything's good there. And that's it. All right, folks, appreciate it. Hit the like button. Thanks.